Today we are going to do a 5-minute arm toning workout to really tighten those arms in 5 minutes. We've got 20 seconds of arm exercise followed by a 10-second marching rest break to really get that heart rate going. Now this workout is suitable for beginners, seniors, or if you want to use it as a warm-up before you do another one of my workouts. Are we ready? Let's do this. We're going to start off by marching. Stretch those arms up and down. Breathe and breathe out. Ooh, bringing you some sunshine. Let's stretch right up to the sky and come down. And again. Ooh, good. Shake those arms out. Okay, we're going to do some marching in our 10-second rest. Gently lifting up those feet. Okay, keep marching, then we're going to push the arms forward and back. Yes. Really feeling that in the arms already. Good, let's go to our 10-second rest march. Feet slightly out, arms up and down, up and down. Woo. Ooh, like a butterfly. Good, and march. Then just stretch your arms up and down. Here we go. Up and down. Are we sweating yet? Good job. Back we go with the march. Keeping it nice and gentle. Bicep curls to that march, keeping the elbows in. Good job, here we go, march. Again, take the march out a little bit, arms cross in front, cross up. Whew, feel that heart rate going up. Good job, back to the march, using those arms. Lift up your knees just a little bit more if you can. Good. Marching then, push the arms back. Triceps, push, push. Good job. March. Taking those knees up if you can. Good job. Arms forward, down. Relax those shoulders. Back to the marching, here we go. Woo! Keep marching, touch your shoulders. A little bit faster. Good, and march. Bringing my knees up slightly. More. nearing the end. Here we go. Last blast then. Quick! Okay, we're running on the spot. Or you can do your toes, using those arms, really pumping. Woo! Yes, okay, march and stretch. And breathe out. Great job, hold up there. Woo, take in that sunshine. And breathe out. Once more up, hold. And down. Good, shake those arms.